Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be downloading the dataset that we will be working with in our application. So let's open up our web browser. Okay, so we can search for Ebus's GitHub. Okay, and then let's just click on Ebus's GitHub. Okay, and then we can select the WaterWatch repo. So the file that we want is this one, which is called waterwatch_clean2.xlsx. So we can click on that and then just click on download. Okay, so let's locate the file. So now we copy the file into our project and root directory. So we locate our project. So the same place where the manage.py file is, we paste it there. Okay, so now that we have done that, we can see that our file is an Excel file. So we have to download the third-party libraries that we need in order to read Excel files, as well as the data manipulation library that we will use to transform the dataset. So we can close this window. Okay, so we just verify that the file is there. Okay, so now let's install the third-party libraries that we will need to read the Excel file. So the first library that we will install is XLRD. And then we run pip install openpyxl. So this is also an Excel reading library. Okay, so that's downloaded successfully. So now the next library that we need to install is the one that we will use to manipulate our dataset from our application, which is pandas. Okay, so pandas has been installed successfully. So now we have our data manipulation libraries installed. So now let me just give a run through of the dataset that we will be working with and how it applies to our application. So our application analyzes the amount of water that gets consumed by each suburb for the given month. So the value will be in kiloliters, the average monthly kiloliter of water consumed by each suburb. So we want to identify the suburbs that are consuming the most amount of water. And then we want to target those suburbs and then maybe send out an alert email notifying them that they are consuming too much water and that they need to cut down. Or we can alert the municipality and they can control the amount of water that gets distributed to those suburbs. So basically that is the reason why we are working with this dataset and how it applies to our application. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.